Okay, so I am trying to monitor my conversation with you, right? Because I have this on and I've been wearing it for a while, and I want to say it's so cool, but it can't be cool to somebody who has to wear something to monitor their O2 level. You know, it's got to be a stressful thing, and you really have to know, and you have to have good information, and you want to know what your level is. This will absolutely track your level for up to 72 hours. Bluetooth connect to your phone, download the data into the app, you have it all there, you can share it with your medical professional. All that is really cool, and you get to look like a Borg, right? Any Star Trek fans out there, how cool is that? This is, first off, it seems like this would be invasive or uncomfortable or annoying, and it is absolutely not. It is super comfortable, super easy to wear. It's programmable in the sense that you could adjust like the brightness of the image. You could obviously connect it to the app. You could set thresholds and alarms, like if your O2 drops a little, maybe your CPAP's not working right or something like that, or it's come off your face and you want a little bit of a vibration alarm, it'll do that, so just to wake you up, and you can adjust things. So functionality wise, it has been super cool, super flawless, super easy. That is way too many supers in a row. You just put it on, turn it on, all that kind of stuff works great. Obviously, it's measuring your O2 level, it's measuring your pulse. So in addition to needing it for medical purposes, if you're truly a hardcore athlete and you're training and you need to know what your O2 level is, you need to know what your pulse is, you're training for a marathon, you're biking, all those kind of things. It is waterproof. So all those things are super cool. The vibration and the beep alarm, all that stuff is good. The only one shortest, teeniest, just because anything can't be perfect in my world. It's definitely a very good, secure connection, the way it goes on your wrist. But I'm pretty dexterous, so it wasn't that big of a deal for me. But it was a little hard initially to kind of get it hooked into the holes and get everything comfortable and that kind of stuff. And I could see somebody who's struggling with dexterity getting a little frustrated with this band. Like you can see, I just popped it off and I got it back in now, but definitely the first time took a little practice getting it going. So that is the one thing, so that I don't say everything's perfect. But yeah, this thing is functional, works very well. How's that? In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.